So I just wanted to show you guys when you get into your dashboard, you want to click on one of these links to the course that you're in. For example, my Art 01 spring course. This is art history. I have it set up for you up here at the top of QuestionAnswer Cafe. It's a online discussion board for all of you that you can use to post questions that you have. For other people to help you answer. I'll be checking it to make sure things are going well, but just want to say the rules are don't be mean. I'll moderate it, but I'd rather not have to reply to each other's posts. Just know it's public so everyone will see what you post. So if you have questions about your grade or other personal things, you need to message me directly. Okay? Now, for the rest of the course, a lot of the things will be in modules. If you hit the home button, it will also take you here. We're going to be covering next chapter 7, Ancient Greece. So there's an interesting documentary that I want to have you watch firstly. It's through your library account, so you'll need your student portal to log into the library. When you click this link, it'll take you there. Go back home here for a second. And then this is actually the slideshow that I'm going to be doing videos of talking about. And this is it in its PDF form, so you can go back and look at it. And then there's here a discussion board. I'm having you analyze changes during the classical era in sculpture. It's due by March 30th. You define it and then talk about it. You need to comment on two people's posts about their ideas. So that'll be just for you to engage with one another.